Recently, 11th Court Appeal Court decision: a Georgian man who claims to be heir Kingdom Morocco may not be good for Mark Meadows' election interventions in Georgia from state court to federal court. The three-judges panel judges federal court appeals heard verbal discussions on jurisdiction case. Meadows' case on Friday. 2020 received conspiracy to overthrow election loss. Four of the watches, two lawyers involved in the effort, Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro, and a guaranteed Scott Hall, who were satisfied with a bail bond, have already accepted to cooperate. Trump, Meadows and others refuse to make wrong. Meadows claims his case should be moved to the court because claims he was a federal official when the alleged criminal behavior occurs and was a civil servant at time. Presidents George W. Bush, Barack Obama and Joe Biden. Three referee panels, 40-minute arguments asked both sides to be suppressed. They expressed it. According to the Judge Robin Rosenbaum during the trial, Meadows, everything was in official duties. Donald Wakeford, a prosecutor in Fulton District Regional Lawyer Fani Willis' office, also argued during the appeal, claiming that Meadows should not be able to carry his case to federal court because he was no longer a federal officer. Congress may assume that there is a high reason for lifting where you are dealing with an existing officer, because it contains the ongoing operations of the federal government, Judge William H. Pyor said. And this may not exist in increasing concern. You have an old officer, because it does not include the ongoing operations of the government, he said. However, judges also expressed their concerns about potential of a creepy effect that may have case in state court. This does not have a creepy effect on people who can think of running for the office. For people who are in the office, and perhaps think twice what they will do because are accused later in a loyal forum. Our Judge Rosenbaum said. All three judges on panel were in majority decision that emptied Timothy Pate, man who describes himself as heir Kingdom Morocco. He was sentenced to present. But when two IRS officers gave foreclosures, challenged conviction, arguing that he did not commit a federal crime because was no longer federal employee. 11, he scored convictions. Circuit Pate. No decisions have been made on appeal. The four other defendants in County Haraç case want their cases be moved to the federal courts and be waiting in 11th Circuit.